Hi everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. In this video, we are going to see an exciting introductory course for data science by Microsoft. Yes, you are in the right page. That is data science for beginner, a complete curriculum with a set of lessons, quizzes, and also the labs. So here you can see that this is data science for beginner curriculum, which is specifically designed by Microsoft. This is a 10-week program, that is 20 lessons. So 10-week depends on your time and availability. Okay. So you can just scroll down here to see how it really works. Okay. If you are a student, you can understand. Even if you are the person who wanted to learn data science, then definitely this will be useful for you. Okay. So you can see the complete pedagogy here, and what are the things which you have. Each lesson includes an optional sketch note, supplemental video, warm-up quiz, written lesson, project based lesson, knowledge check, a challenge, a supplemental reading assignment, and post lesson quiz. So here you can see these are the thing which they have told, like option sketch note. Okay. And this is your lesson number, defining data science. So what is a data science? So here you can learn what is data science. If you click that this, it will take you to the introductory part, or else if you want to learn with a video, it will also take you to the video. Okay. It will show you like what is data science. So here you can see it is showing defining a data science, clearly understanding what is data science. Okay. And also you can see that you have a who is the author here and what are the basics they have given here. So if you just scroll down, you can see that if you go to the GitHub space, if you go to the GitHub documentation, it will show you what are all the other quizzes which are available. And if you click on the GitHub code space, you can access the other options and quizzes which are available here. Okay, so this is an introduction to data science course, which is useful for students. And also, if you are a non-computer science student and if you wanted to learn data science, you can learn it. Even if you are a professor, if you wanted to introduce your data science course to the students, so you can keep this in your curriculum so that they will make this, they will learn through this and understand it. Okay. So since this is provided to us by Microsoft, this will be very very essential and very very useful for the students. So you can also tell them that this particular curriculum, everything is completely designed by the Microsoft student ambassadors who are students. Okay. And they have become a Microsoft student ambassador and they have contributed. So these are the names of the students. So you can also tell them and motivate them to become a Microsoft student ambassador and make them to learn all these things. Okay. Learning is a continuous process and understanding the concept and learning is really important. So you can see the complete data, where it is used, how it is used, and what are the complete life cycle of the data science, where they'll be using the Python, and everything is given here clearly. Okay. So this is how the data science course works. So please pass this information to everyone who will be benefited out of this, because this is very very important courses that every student should know, because data science is currently booming technology which is very essential to learn and understand. So I hope you will leave your comments if you have any queries, and also I would like to hear about the feedback. Please learn this course and also leave the feedback, like how you felt, how the course was structured, and everything. I'm eager to listen to that. Thank you, take care. I'll see you in the next video with an exciting course. Bye bye.